Welcome to the Power Transformation channel. The power of transformation is in your mind. Today, we will delve into a fundamental topic for personal growth: how to overcome procrastination and be productive to achieve our goals. We understand how challenging it can be to deal with the tendency to postpone important tasks, but it's time to take control of our productivity and make it happen. Get ready to discover effective strategies that will unleash your full potential. Procrastination is a trap that many of us face in our lives. Postponing important tasks can hold us back, distance us from our dreams, and prevent us from reaching our true potential. However, the good news is that we all have the power to overcome this habit and develop a productive mindset that will lead us to success. Throughout this video, we will explore in detail how procrastination can manifest in our lives and what we can do to develop a productive mindset that allows us to consistently achieve our goals. Understanding procrastination and its causes. Before we delve into the strategies to overcome procrastination, it is essential to understand what lies behind this behavior and its most common causes. Procrastination can be motivated by various factors, such as the fear of failure, insecurity about our abilities, lack of clarity about our goals, or even lack of motivation. I invite you to engage in honest and deep self-analysis to identify the procrastination patterns that arise in your life. This process of self-awareness is the first step in confronting this issue head-on. Additionally, we will learn effective emotional self-management techniques, such as the practice of self-reflection and the identification of emotional triggers that lead us to procrastinate. This will help us deal more effectively with the emotions that arise when facing challenging tasks. It is important to note that procrastination should not be a reason for self-judgment or negative self-criticism. Self-compassion and kindness to ourselves are crucial in this process of overcoming procrastination. Developing a productive mindset. Understanding procrastination is important, but knowledge alone is not enough to change our behavior. Now, let's focus on developing a productive mindset, as the way we think directly influences our actions. To achieve this, we will practice positive affirmations, which are short and powerful phrases that reinforce our positive beliefs about ourselves and our potential. Additionally, we will learn to visualize our goals already achieved, which strengthens our motivation and propels us into action. Another important point is learning to set clear and achievable goals. Well-defined goals give us a clear direction for our actions and keep us focused on our objectives. Gratitude is a powerful ally in the pursuit of productivity. By recognizing our achievements and expressing gratitude for the opportunities we have, we cultivate a more positive and motivating mindset. Additionally, we will work on adopting a proactive attitude towards challenges. Instead of being overwhelmed by difficulties, we will face them as opportunities for growth and learning. Creating a productive routine. A productive mindset is an excellent start, but to consistently combat procrastination, we need to create a well-structured routine. An efficient routine allows us to better manage our time and energy. We will learn to organize our day by setting specific schedules for each task. By defining blocks of time dedicated to specific activities, we can maintain focus and avoid distractions. Furthermore, we will explore the Pomodoro technique, which involves dividing work into periods of 25 minutes, followed by short breaks. This technique helps increase productivity and maintain focus. It is also essential to establish moments for breaks and self-care in our routine. Adequate rest is essential for maintaining energy and focus throughout the day. Workplace organization is also an important factor in productivity. We will learn to create an environment conducive to focus and concentration. Overcoming procrastination, practical tips. At this point, we have already understood the causes of procrastination and developed a productive mindset. Now, let's move forward and learn practical tips to overcome procrastination once and for all. First and foremost, we will learn effective self-control techniques to avoid distractions and stay focused on important tasks. Turning off social media notifications and creating a work environment free of interruptions are some of the steps we can take. Daily self-reflection will be a powerful ally in evaluating what worked well in our productive routine and what can be improved. By identifying procrastination patterns, we can take corrective measures more consciously. And, of course, let's not forget to celebrate each victory, no matter how small. Celebrating our achievements will motivate us to stay focused and determined on our journey. Staying motivated and persistent. Overcoming procrastination is a challenging journey, but with the right strategies, we can achieve remarkable results. Now, let's learn how to stay motivated and persistent in our quest for productivity. Cultivating positive and empowering habits is essential to maintain our motivation. Consistent practice of these habits will propel us to continue seeking our best selves. Seeking inspiration from success stories and inspiring role models can be a powerful source of motivation. By learning about the journeys of others who have overcome procrastination and achieved success, we feel that we can do the same. Accountability is one of the pillars of overcoming procrastination. When we take control of our lives and acknowledge that we are the main drivers of our success, we become more motivated to take action. Finally, it is essential to remember that by overcoming procrastination and achieving our goals, we can inspire others to do the same. Sharing our achievements and learning from the experiences of others strengthens the community in pursuit of personal growth. We have reached the end of this video, and I hope you are as excited as I am about all the possibilities that arise when we overcome procrastination and become more productive. Remember always, the power of transformation is in your mind. Don't let procrastination be a barrier on your journey to a life of excellence and abundance. With the strategies and tips shared here, you have the power to take charge of your productivity and achieve your most ambitious goals. If this content resonated with you and you want to continue receiving powerful insights for your personal transformation, don't miss the chance to subscribe to the Power Transformation channel. This way, you won't miss any of our upcoming motivating videos. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and comment below about the tips that inspired you the most to overcome procrastination. The more we interact, the more we can grow together on this incredible journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Thank you for being part of this community committed to seeking the best for themselves. Believe me, you have the power to transform your life and fulfill your dreams. Harness this energy, take it with you, and let's embark together towards a future full of achievements.